when I went on the first day of set with Mr. Kamal Hassan, and I went, and he was like, "Okay, Aparna, you've come." That was my character's name, and he used to call me Aparna very, very fondly, even after the movie got over, because I was Aparna for him. And I remember that I had probably done makeup and come on set, and then he said, "I don't need so much makeup. Go and wash your face and come." And I actually thought that he wanted me to reduce it. So you know how teenagers are very, very overconfident. I went, just did a little removal, came back. He looked at me, he said, "Huh, you've not removed your makeup. Go remove your makeup and come." So I said, "Okay, okay, you need little more." So I actually went and I on my own removed the makeup and thought that that's it. Because in my head, I was like, I need to have some amount of makeup to face the camera. And I went back in and he looked at me and he said, "But I need you to wash your face." I said, "Really?" He says, "Yeah, yeah, I need you to wash your face exactly how it would be when you pack up." So I was like, okay, now this is serious. He really wants me to remove my entire makeup. And I went back and I removed my makeup, washed my face. I was in costume and hair. I would come in and I'm like, "Kamalji, is this okay now?" He says, "Yes, that's my Aparna." And he actually called the makeup artist and he said, "Okay, now give me kajal." Then he did a little kajal on me. He said, "Okay, now this is my Aparna." And I realized that you don't need, or sometimes in certain films, you don't need makeup because the cameraman, he lights you up and the lens is such. And in certain films, that is what you require. And I remember wearing these rubber slippers, which were this height, like 4 inches. And he looked at me once and he found it very amusing. He's like, "What is this?" I said, "This is platform chappals." It was in those days. And I was like, "Because I'm so short, na, Kamalji, so I have to like wear these, you know." He says, "Why? You have to be tall with your performance, not with your height. So remove it." I said, "Are you sure, Kamalji?" He said, "Yeah, yeah, just remove it, wear flats." And I was so relieved, I remember. And I was like, "Oh my God." He's like, and he actually taught me how to accept yourself the way you are, you know, and that was a big lesson for me, you know, and that really helped me do other performances and like bolte na bejhijak. So I was like, wow, you can be an actor like this as well. And that's the learning I got from Mr. Kamal Hassan.
Barmer Lorien Company Limited, a Government of India enterprise, one-stop shop for all your travel needs.